Types of motility of microorganisms. Darting or vibratory motility, Vibrio and Campylobacter. Swarming motility, Clostridium septicum, Bacillus cereus, Proteus, some Vibrio species. Tumbling motility, Listeria monocytogenes. Stately motility, Clostridia. Spinning motility, Fusobacterium gyrans. Corkscrew motility, Treponema pallidum. Falling leaf motility, Giardia. Twitching motility, Echinella corrodens. Differential motility, that is motility, varies at different temperatures. Yersinia enterocolytica and Listeria monocytogenes. Jerky motility, Trichomonas vaginalis. Gliding motility, Mycoplasma amoeba. Lashing motility, Saprophytic spirochaetes.